But it looks like we should be prepping the 450 strike. Possibly it's turning around a bit right now. I think I'm going to stick to the 455 if that's the case. Nope. I'm getting my next order like ultra ready here. Once this like first 5 minutes, first 10 minutes of the market momentum is over, price action will stabilize enough that we can actually get a good entrance. You lost $5. All right. It feels good if you lose very little because you know that you can win so much. I'm very proud if I have a small loss. All right, we're still watching Tesla. Where does it, like out of curiosity, where does it put my face? Is it put it in the upper right? Because right now I have it in the middle of my screen. All right, so that's 3 green bars on the minute chart with and the lows of every subsequent bar are going up. So that's some momentum sign, a shift of momentum. But now look at the 2-minute chart. We'd be looking for the green on the 2 there. It just popped the high on the 2-minute chart. Okay, I'm gonna take an entrance right there. All right, I'm in. And I really don't like it, but I'm in again. I will not stop out, says somebody. I'm in again, smaller position. If it fails again, it fails again, and that would be unfortunate. But what happened there is we entered on the premise that on this 2-minute chart, we finally had momentum confirmed on a 2-minute chart, which is stronger. That might get us through. So that could have been the real low right there. There's a list of faces to the right. Is there? Let me see. Oh, all right. I don't think they're supposed to be, but okay. All right, I got to go in and control my order. Be ready to stop out if I need to. All right, this is actually going good, but you know, things can turn around on you in an instant. But this is actually going good. It's not a lot of momentum though, so that's the worrisome part. And in fact, there we go. That's not good. If anybody's risking too much money, de-risk a little. Take some off the table. Okay. All right, there we go. That's momentum. That's what we're looking for. I believe that's going to be the strength that takes us over the open now, 460. That was a really good moment. All right, come on, come on, come on. Let's see if that can take us over the red candle on the 3-minute chart. That would be great. I don't have a lot on this position, but I'll post my print. Because it's up 5%. If anybody has any big prints, go post it in the group. Because right now Tesla's going up. It's moving up. Nice, nice, nice. It's moving. I have one contract I need to sell in this Thinkorswim account. Let me get in there and sell that. All right, there we go. Look at that, 462. I hope you guys are making a fortune right now. Woohoo, 30%. Market level 2 data? No, not really. I watch momentum bars, but I do if I need to. Not level 2, but it's the active trader here. All right, it ran into a congestion zone, so momentum's kind of hitting congestion. You could just go ahead and sell all, or you could take a contract or two off if you have multiple contracts. So I'm going to take one off here. Congestion zone. Sell 10 to 25% of your position. I'm in too bad at this. I'm too bad at this. I'm not sure what you're saying there, whoever was saying that. Bought 2, sold 1. All right, good. All right, I'm going to take my other contract out now, I think. Oh, well, there goes the momentum again. This could be the next leg of this uptrend, but I don't know. There's a lot of congestion up there. I'm just going to get out of my one position here, and then we'll come back to the other screen that I was trading on. All right, good. All right, locked in a couple thousand in profit on that particular call. Profit? No. That was a loss. I had a 440 call that I lost a lot of theta on. But good to get that money back. A lot of that money back. All right. I'm still sitting on one contract. That's all I've got left. I feel so bad that I blew all my my wad on that first entrance that didn't work out. Hopefully some of you are doing super. Love to see your prints. Who thinks Tesla has legs for an all-day run? All right, that was a lot of momentum. Did you see that? The green broke above 2 previous red candle highs. That was a ton of momentum. That'd be re-entrance, reload right there. That was a reload moment, and it probably happened too fast for any of you to get back on in right now. But that's what that would have been. 460, 60, somewhere around there. Oh, you could still get in now. That was a ton of momentum. I'm going to see if I can get another contract in another account in time. Oh shit, look at that. Nope, just never mind. Hopefully if you were getting in, it went down. Don't get in yet. All right, so that was about 35% retracement of this trend on the 1 minute chart. That's not good. That's a bit deep of retracement. So I would recommend you getting out of your position like around 459 because you can always get back in. Okay, but like when this price gets like almost like right now, get ready to get out, guys, because I recommend it just to protect your gains. There, you should probably be out now. I'm selling my other option. But you know, Tesla, yeah, it might go up all day, but just bank your money, take your profits, and if it has another one of those momentum moments, you can get back in. See, it's already going back down. 459, I pretty much nailed that. I told you to get out, 459. It could probably go lower now, so be careful. the momentum trading, it's just like there's a lot of shifting in which way the prices are going. You got to be quick to act. So I'm all out now. I'm just going to write that in the group. I'm all out. Stocking for any further potential momentum. But right now we'd want to see price break like 460.50, 460.50 in order to get back in again. Okay, Andrew, you want to make sure an order's ready because this could happen in 30 seconds. Get an order ready. If price pops 460.50, get back in, everybody. But if it doesn't, it doesn't. Okay, this looks like the momentum. This could be happening. Watch very carefully. I would not recommend getting in unless price can break 460.50. 460.50. And when you do, you'd buy the 460 contract, by the way. 460 contract. If anybody's still in, your risk tolerance is like way too high. You should probably start scaling out. You do not have a confirmed uptrend, really. It's gonna go. It could go sideways now, and it could even go down and start to fill the gap all day. You could just lose money all day. You need to take your profits. You can always get back in. And if you can't get back in, then that's all you get. You just take your profits today, and then tomorrow, do some more, because we're not getting a lot of momentum right now. Somebody raised their hand. Sean, you raised your hand. Did you have a question? What's up? Somebody talking about Zoom. Is Zoom going? Let me look down here. No, Zoom's not doing super. Well, if that was it for Tesla, then that was it. I made like 25% profit, which would have been another $3,000. Looks like that's it. I know it does. It does, because this is not. What do I want to say? This is not. I didn't have my coffee. This is not like confirmed good action right now. Like, this is sideways oscillating. Like, now it feels like it's defined a range, right? And it's just going to range. And even if it continues doing the trending, there's not a lot of momentum to it. So if anyone can easily afford like one contract, you could always just do that. You can almost swing the day, essentially. You could buy one contract, and if that's easy for you to lose money on, like, in other words, you can afford this, you can just hold that all day now and see if it just appreciates on you, because, you know, it could just go ranging all day and then like little incrementally going up, where you take 10 steps forward and 9 steps back, 10 steps forward and 9 steps back. And that sucks for day traders. You don't ever want to risk your money on a 10 steps forward, 9 steps back type of price action. You want 10 steps forward, 1 step back, 10 steps forward, 1 step back, 10 steps forward, 1 step back. And those are the ones we love. So I think everyone came to their senses. You know, Tesla's being added to the S&P 500 in December, and you know, there's not much more to it than that. It got priced in this morning on the news, and I think people aren't willing to take Tesla to 500 right now. But maybe over the next days they will be. So this could be a swing trade. You put it should be 461 to be able to go higher in trending. Yes, but what I'm looking at here, and actually 462 would be the confirmed, like fully confirmed, most conservative momentum swing to the upside. But what I'm looking at is, where's my drawing tools? Annotate, there we go. What I'm looking at is that it could break that little red candle bar that's right over there. So right now, you know, we're getting that retracement, a deep retracement. You know, this is like to the almost 90% point already. So that's not momentum in a trend. That's not a directional momentum. So you can't really make money on Tesla anymore. That's it. It's over. So hopefully you guys made some money. I have puts. Do you recommend scaling some out now? All right. Let's take a look at Myrna. I think I have. Great. Yeah, we have puts on Myrna. I need to check that because I have them too. Let's take a look at that. Myrna. Moderna. Why is it up? You said, oh, okay. You're talking about scaling out because it's gone down. Ah, that's just a beautiful thing. That's the 3-day crap out. Look at that. Is that just not beautiful? No, no. I mean, if you want to, if you've risked a lot of money and you want to take some profits, okay, go ahead. But the way this play works is it's going to go down all day today. And tomorrow morning is when we get out. Okay, this is a classic 3-day crap out play. Look, it needs to get all the way back down to the top of that green candle. Are you looking? No, it was alerted yesterday, Andrew. It was a swing trade. No, you should not get in now. It's almost 60 to 75% over now. You'd be getting in at a high risk point. Do not get in. So around 90.50, okay? Around 90.50, you could take your first profits at 90.50. And then we usually get out somewhere in the middle of that green candle right there. So like 88, somewhere in there. Or tomorrow morning, whichever comes first. So tomorrow morning we'll do the 5:30 rule as far as getting out. But today, freaking Moderna is doing exactly what I expected. This is like a income swing trade. Like this is just, you just make these whenever they come up and they just produce income, just income, like no problem. So you make a living off of these trades. So Moderna is just going to go down all day today. Now, if today it does hit, like I just said, if it does hit like 90.50, go ahead and scale out 50%. Or more if you feel like it. You can scale it all out at that point if you want. But then, you know, if it gets down to the middle of this green candle, so about 88, that's when you could go ahead and take all off. Or you actually could keep holding if it just continued to go red, and we'll get out tomorrow morning. All right. All right, that was Li Shi. All right. Yeah, I'm up. Let me see how much percent I'm up on that Moderna. 65%, $1,400. So there you go. Income. Anybody have any other questions about anything else going on right now? That's pretty much going to be it for today from me, because we're being real careful. And then I'll come back later and we'll do, I'll see if there's any swing trades we can get into. But Moderna was certainly one of them. Myrna swing trade doing great. Boom. 451 was the lowest point in Tesla. You want me to go back to Tesla? Let me take a look at Tesla. What's going on with Tesla? Okay, it's coming, it's coming. These prices. I think that's Moderna. It's showing me. Come on. There we go. It started to switch. Okay. Yeah, 451. Yeah, but, you know, not necessarily. You know, this is, if you look at it like it's taking, it went down 10 steps and then it went up 12 steps, you know, and then it went down 10 steps and it's going to go up 12 steps maybe, but you can't be sure. So Tesla's fairly dead on the day. It just is. That's just the way it traded. That's just what happened. You know, it's not a good idea to say, hey, I think it's going to do this, therefore I'm going to go, you know, put everything I have into that. No, just look at what's going on. It's not really showing strength. Either way, just wants to range sideways. Basically, they feel Tesla's worth 460 now. That's pretty much it. So you can watch it all day, and that's up to you if you want to continue to trade. But I don't overtrade. That's it. I'm done for the day. You know, some days we'll make $15,000, $30,000, $50,000. Other days we'll make $500, $1,000. And as Andrew knows, some days we'll lose $50, $100, $500. That happens. All right, everybody. I'm going to stop this live stream. I'll edit it and post it. Hope you enjoyed that. We don't always live stream the day trading. because we've had some difficulty getting that up and running, but this was the first time using Zoom to do so. Hope you enjoyed it. All right, talk to you later, guys. Yep.